What does the term agenda refer to in a workplace meeting? Options are A list of topics to be discussed. B. A record of past meetings. C. A type of office equipment. D. A financial report. The correct answer is a list of topics to be discussed. What is the meaning of follow-up in business communication? Options are A. To ignore a message. B. To take further action after a previous discussion. C. To cancel a meeting. D. To send a greeting. The correct answer is to take further action after a previous discussion. What does deadline extension mean? Options are A. Finishing work early. B. Adding more tasks. C. Getting more time to complete a task. D. Cancelling a project. The correct answer is getting more time to complete a task. What is meant by workload? Options are the number of holidays in a year. B. The amount of work assigned. C. The office building size. D. The type of job title. The correct answer is the amount of work assigned. What does prioritize mean in a work context? Options are A. To delay all tasks. B. To arrange tasks based on importance. C. To remove tasks completely. D. To share tasks randomly. The correct answer is to arrange tasks based on importance. What is the purpose of minutes of a meeting? Options are A. To record important points discussed. B. To measure meeting duration only. C. To plan lunch breaks. D. To list employee salaries. The correct answer is to record important points discussed. What does collaborate mean in the workplace? Options are A. To work alone. B. To compete with others. C. To work together with others. D. To avoid communication. The correct answer is to work together with others. What is meant by client? Options are A. A person who manages employees. B. A person or organization receiving services. C. A person who repairs equipment. D. A type of office document. The correct answer is a person or organization receiving services. What does reschedule mean? Options are A. To cancel permanently. B. To change the time or date of something. C. To finish early. D. To ignore a meeting. The correct answer is to change the time or date of something. What is the meaning of feedback in a professional setting? Options are A. A type of office furniture. B. Information given to improve performance. C. A list of office supplies. D. A daily schedule. The correct answer is information given to improve performance.